Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Xbox Series S does not run VPN apps directly on the console. You must route traffic through another device or router. The most reliable option is a router-level VPN. A router-level VPN covers every device on your network instantly. Choose a router that supports OpenVPN or WireGuard for best stability. Aim for a router and VPN plan that sustain 100 Mbps for smooth gameplay. Use a wired Ethernet CAT6 cable for lowest latency when possible. Purchase a router that supports OpenVPN or WireGuard natively, or use a flashable model. Flashing requires downloading DDWRT or OpenWRT firmware carefully and following the vendor guide. Install your VPN provider configuration files and enter credentials on the router admin page. Enable kill switch and DNS leak protection in the router settings. Connect your Xbox via Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lowest latency. Test with an IP lookup. If you cannot change your router, use a Windows PC as a VPN gateway. Run the VPN client on the PC and confirm the VPN tunnel is active. Use internet connection sharing or create a Windows Wi-Fi hotspot to share the VPN connection. For best results, connect the PC to the router via Ethernet and the Xbox to the PC by Ethernet or hotspot. Monitor speeds. Expect some throughput loss depending on your VPN service. Disable the hotspot when finished to restore normal network behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.